What's going on, everybody? This is Mark with Justice League of Credit. So, I was just trying to check up, see what everybody's doing. But I just want to give a quick tip of how you can boost your credit score. The first tip is basically if you currently have a credit card and you are your balances is high on your credit card, or if you are the type of person that makes their full credit card payment each month without leaving a balance, I will want to say you are doing yourself a disservice. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with paying your bills on time, but if you really want to get that boost in credit score, when you pay your bill, your credit card statement each month, instead of paying the whole balance, try to leave like a $5-10 balance. The reason being is your credit utilization rate will decrease, and you will see a big boost in your credit score. In order for this to work, you need to do two things. You need to find out your payment date of your credit card bill, and then you need to ask your credit card company the day they report to the credit bureaus. Normally, when credit card companies report to the credit bureaus, it's normally between 4 to 5 days after you make your credit card payment or the due date. So I always tell people, if you want to see that boost in credit score, if you can, try to make your credit card payment on the day of your statement or due date. Wait at least 4 to 5 days before you use that card, because if you pay your bill and then you turn right back around and use that card, the credit card company is going to report the usage that you did right after you made that payment to your credit card bill. So in order for this, again, to work, after you make your payment, wait at least 4 to 5 days and leave at least $5 or $10 on your balance. You can leave 20, 30, but if you want to see that big increase in credit score, try to leave at least a $5 or $10 balance. And trust me, you will see a big difference in your credit score. So if you follow those tips that I just gave you, within the next 30 days or less, you should have a increase in credit score. So again, my name is Mark with Justice League of Credit, and I just gave you a free tip of how to boost your credit score within 30 days. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can always DM me either on my personal page or the business page, Justice League of Credit. We're on Instagram, YouTube, and of course Facebook. Of course, just type in Justice League of Credit all together, and I can be reached at 904-339-8051. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.